In the heart of Dubai, where innovation meets elegance, comes an event like no other. First and only platform for beauty therapists, nurses, and laser technicians. Beauty and Beyond Summit. Mark your calendars for October 11th and 12th, 2024, as we bring together the brightest minds and talents in beauty therapy and laser technology. Join us for 2 days of transformative experiences, where nurses, therapists, technicians, and experts unite to advance aesthetics. Experience keynote addresses from industry pioneers, panel discussions on global innovations, and hands-on workshops showcasing the latest techniques. Whether you're looking to expand your knowledge, network with fellow professionals, or explore the latest advancements, this event has something for everyone. Beauty and Beyond Summit.